Welcome, welcome to my yoga studio here in Cape Town. My name is Nina. I'm a Hatha yoga teacher trainer, and a yoga health coach. All my details on the descriptions. Today we're going to be doing a short 10-minute yoga practice, and we're going to be working, obviously, the spine, warming up the spine, but we're going to take the focus into our hips and our buttocks a little bit more. Starting off, you can sit kneeling or cross-legged. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a couple of deep breaths. And just think to yourself, how would you feel 12 months from now if you did just a little bit of yoga every single day? What would that shift and change for you physically, mentally, emotionally? And then take a moment to think of a time when someone expressed deep gratitude to you and how that made you feel. And allow that feeling to spread through your body. And as that spreads and you're taking your deep breath, slowly move into shoulder circles. Inhaling as you take those shoulders up and back. Exhaling as you take them down and around. A couple of deep shoulder circles. Whoever's joining you this morning, allow them to join in. Circle the other way. We have Harley the dog, in exchange for Carter, who's usually with us. Here we go. Lovely. And then we're going to start on all fours in Chakravakasana, the cat stretch. So the knees underneath your hips, hip width apart. The hands underneath your shoulders, shoulder width apart. Inhale as you hollow and exhale as you round. All right, a couple of nice, easy, comfortable cat stretches that start to warm up and open up the body. Remember, when you start doing your yoga practice in the morning, you don't just want to fly straight into strong yoga postures. You really want to make sure that your spine feels comfortable, your spine is warm before you get going. Most of your big muscles, you want to make sure that they're nice and comfortable. All right, love the expelling breath. We're going to be doing that. Inhale as you reach your right leg back. As you exhale, knee to your nose. Exhaling out through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. Twice more. Last time. And then other side. Inhale, left leg goes back. Exhale. Knee to your mouth. Knee to your nose. Or your mouth, I suppose. There you go. You're really emptying the lungs, filling them, emptying them. One more. And then release. Good. From here, we're going to take that right leg back again. Cat balance. Right leg goes back. Left arm comes up. Working with a little bit of a balance here. Lengthen through that. You can point the toes. You can flex the foot. You can press. I like to press into the ball of the foot a little bit more so that it's not quite flexed and it's not pointed. It's kind of in between. See what works for you. Slide your shoulders away from your ears as you lengthen that arm. Good. Release the hand down. Bend the knee. We're moving into those lovely donkey kicks. So as you inhale, lift that right leg and lower. And you should be able to feel that supporting buttocks, that supporting glutes, holding you. Working a little. And you just keep pulsing. Pulsing, pulsing, pulsing. Watch that you don't collapse in your lower back here. Keep the abdominals engaged. And keep just gently pulsing. There we go. Release that leg. Same thing, other side. Cat balance. Left leg goes back. Either flex the foot or press into the ball of the foot. Right arm comes up. Lengthen through, moving dynamically. Hold it. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Feel that you can draw your shoulders away from the ears. Lengthen the neck. There you go. You've got it. Keep breathing. Good morning, Harley. How are you? Hello. Release that the arm, bend the knee, dog kisses first thing in the morning, and pulse, and pulse, and pulse. Working with those little donkey kicks as you lift. Slide the shoulders away from the ears. There we go. And release it. Good. From here, we're going to stretch it out somewhat. You're going to take that right leg back again. Take that right leg across to the left. Look over your left shoulder at your right foot that's now on the left side. There we go. Keep going. And back to the center. Gently release. Left leg goes back. Take it across the body to the right. Look over your right shoulder to your left foot on the right side. Notice that little bit of a stretch happening. Good morning. Would you like to join in? Bring that leg back again. Thank you very much for cleaning my ear. And coming back, sitting onto the knees. From here, we're going to take it into one more for the glutes. Drop the buttocks over to the sides. Bring the legs out in front. We're going to move the dogs out the way. And then we're going to place the right foot on top of the left knee. Here, you're going to flex your foot nicely. You're going to watch it here and slump back. You're going to lift yourself up. And you can either scoot your buttocks closer to your leg, or you can bring the foot closer to your buttocks. If you're getting enough of a stretch here, hold it. A couple of deep breaths. There you go, you've got this. Cool, now ground down through that foot. Inhale as you lift the hips and the buttocks, opening up. Exhale, come back down. And again, inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Once more, inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Other side. All right, ground down through the right. Bring the left. Do you need to be closer? Do you need to be further apart? Flex that foot. Notice how it feels in that hip and that glute. We're not overstraining. We're making sure that it's comfortable. Breathe here. Oh, thank you. Do you want to play ball with me? Hi. Inhale as you lift the hips. Exhale as you lower. There we go. We've just got 2 more after this. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Last time. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Super. Stretch that legs out and bend the knees. Keep the feet flexed. Grab the sides of your feet. And now walk those feet away just as much as you need to so that you can keep the abdomen onto your thighs. You can bring the forehead onto your knees. That's it. And relax and release into it. Bringing everything back into neutral alignment. Close your eyes. Take a moment to congratulate yourself for taking time this morning to stretch the body, to do a gentle little workout. Remember that you are an awesome, amazing human being. And remember to share and to spread that light of yours. When you're ready, slowly uncurl. Bring the neck and head up last. Lean back to drain the sinuses for a moment. And thank you so much for practicing with me and Harley this morning. I hope that was entertaining. I hope that was fun. Remember to leave a comment and a like if you'd like. Let me know if you have any furry friends and if they ever join you. I would love to hear some stories in the comments below. If you are an animal lover like me, it would be lovely to connect. So here is to a gorgeous day. I hope you have a beautiful one, and I will catch up with you again tomorrow, 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. Central African time. And from me and Harley, goodbye. Do you want to come say goodbye to everyone? Come. Okay, you can say goodbye that way. Say bye. Bye, guys.